Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So, as I told in the previous video, I was thinking of making a project related video. And this is a simple project that I made just for fun. And you can also try doing this. If you are a beginner in React.js, then you can understand how that works. And also, I have used Google OAuth, so you can understand how you can use that for authentication, and it is a pretty simple app with just two screens. Let me show what it does. So let me okay, it's already running, so I can go to localhost 3000. So this is the first page. Again, you can modify this, you can make it look better, but for now I will just go ahead with this. If I click on this button, it will redirect me to a login page, and then it will take my name from the Google account and then show it here. While making this project, I was actually considering for the mobile views, because generally when we share these messages in Diwali or before that to wish our family members, we generally do that on mobile, and that is where it is viewed mostly. So that is why I did not handle the case for the desktop view. You can do that always, you can work around on that. So if I refresh, this will again come to the original page because that is stored in the state, so that will get reset. Now again, if I click on this, it will go here and then show me my name. So whoever is logged in, it will show his name from the Google account. Now let me explain how this is working. So the working part is something like this. There's a web UI which is built using React.js. So this is the web UI which has a button. This is built using React.js. So, and while clicking on the button is making a request from OAuth. So there's a API call here, and then OAuth is asking from the user to if he wants to share his informations or not, and if the user accepts that and continues with his Google account, then this API will return the profile data and we can use that in our web view. This is the entire working of the app. Not really huge, but you will get to learn a basic how it works, how the authentication works. And so the technologies which I've used here are React.js for front end, and that is mostly all. And I've used Netlify for deploying on the web, but you can also run, I will show you by running on the local host. You can see, so you can run here, and if you want you can host to the Netlify as well. I can make a new video on that because this will get too long. I connected the Netlify with GitHub for continuous deployment, so that can also be done. And this is what we are calling and getting the API from. So getting the user data from this auth too. Okay, so let's go to the implementation part. So first of all, I have created this simple React app using npm create React app client, and this is the folder which gets created after that command. You can run that. And then what I've done here is, this is simple app.js, and here I have actually returned the login component which can be found in here, login. So there are some states here in functional component, and these are hooks, I guess. I'm not really comfortable with the terminologies because I'm also relatively new to React.js. So basically two variables you can say. So login is by default false. So if this is false, I am returning this component. Now the question is, what is this Google login? This thing is a npm library which I have installed from here. I will provide the link for all these so you can check those out. Yeah, so this is the library React Google login. So I installed it, and then I could simply use this just by writing this amount of code. I'm getting all of that on click and everything, all this styling of the button here on the home page. This is all done by this tag. I don't have to do anything else. You can write a function that you whatever you want to do after on success sign in. This returns a Google user, and you can get the profile using get basic profile, and then from there you can get the name using profile.getName. This is what I've done, and I've set the name value to this profile.getName. And when this is logged in, I have rendered this greeting component and passed this name as a props. And now here I have, just to check, I actually printed it out, but I don't need this, and this will make the app slow, so I will remove that. And here this is just a video playing in the background, the diyas that are moving in the background. If I click on this, look at this is a video. And after that I have used this Happy Diwali and this dot props dot name. So we pass the name from this login function here, right, by getting the name from this profile. So that will be shown here, and this is all. After that I just did an npm start. And yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you guys, you will have to create a what is that called, Google API token, something like that, which will be used here. While a client ID, you'll have to create a client ID which will be used here. You can provide directly string here, but I haven't, because this is a safe way to do. If you provide the link directly here, then anyone can inspect and see this, so that is not safe. This is the right way to do it. So after doing this, I just have run this, and you can see it's working fine. So you can make this, you can make the UI better, and then you can send this after deploying to Netlify, and this will work as a nice wishing website, right? Whoever is clicking can get his name here. So this is a nice surprise. That is all for today. And if you have any doubt like how to create a client key, you can already search it, and still if you are not able to find that out, you can comment down. I will reply for sure. And thank you guys, thank you. I hope this was a different video. I hope you liked it, and see you later.